let's get started. Hello everybody, long time no see. Good to see you again, all 25 of you guys. I've been gone for a while. Let's talk about it. Okay, so first things first is an update on my life. I no longer live in California. I actually moved up to Washington State. I graduated college with an AA in general business. Exciting, I know. I'm so smart, right? I don't even use a degree. I work for a union. I no longer have the Integra. I might update or upload a video about that, but I'm not too sure how I feel about that yet. We'll see if I should give you guys the story about the Integra, but just to put it, it's totaled, unfortunately. If I have some pictures, I'll post them right here. Great, right? I now go to work, I work 40 hours a week, so that's kind of how that is, and this is going crazy. Let me put this on manual focus, my bad guys. Let me just, right there, that looks good, sorry about the lighting. Let me open that up a little more. That did nothing. Great. Let's see what else. Let's see if I can get a picture of my daily driver going. I'll show you guys it in a second. Right there. Great, right? I have a 1985 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a ABA swap from a Mark III. It's a Mark II Coupe, Oldsburg edition. Sick, right? And actually my wheels are for sale, so if anybody wants those wheels, DM me right here. I'll send the my Instagram. Also, it's actually in my bio, so feel free to look at that in the description, my bad. But as far as that goes, I also have a new car. Let me see if I have the keys somewhere. Alright, I found the keys right here. Boom. Can you guys guess what I drive every day? Not every day, sorry. I drive on the weekends. Honda S2000. Yep, I bought an S2000 finally. I've talked about it for a long time. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know for the past 2 years, I'd say, I've been waiting about buying an S2000. I wanted one, so I finally bought one. And I got big things coming. I'll do a video on that soon. I'd go outside right now, but it's raining, unfortunately, so I'm not gonna do that. But I'll do an update video on my S2000. I bought it stock, and I've already modded it to some extent. I've only had the car for maybe a month or two now, and I've modified it for. I probably put X amount of money in, and I should have recorded that stuff, but I've been really lazy. I bought a GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition. I do have a head strap and everything, so I do plan on doing new stuff. And since I live in Washington, I live really close to Pacific Raceway, so maybe some drag races, maybe do the road course there. And I do want to check out the Ridge in Olympia. It's about an hour drive where I am because I'm in Seattle. It's greater Seattle area, so hopefully I'll be able to do that. I do have a suction mountain over there, so that should go well. I'm going to start vlogging some more now that I have a cool car again because, long story short, I crashed the Integra. Ooh, sorry, the Integra's totaled to unknown reasons. Maybe I'll post the clip right here. If I won't, I'll just link it. It's in my Instagram. And then I bought a 86 Golf from 500 bucks off a auction site. It was sick, loved it. Then sold that, then moved up here, then bought my Jetta. It's ABA swapped. I drive it every day. It's my daily car. It's pretty cool. And then I grinded for a little bit, bought some stuff. I bought this new computer. You can't see it, but new computer. It's a sick RGB LED screen, this mechanical keyboard. Nice, perfect. And then I also, sorry, closing the tab. See what else. Yeah, the S2000, I got a lot of content coming up for that, so hopefully stay in tune for that. Sorry I've been gone so long, and hopefully I'll get back into it. And let me see, maybe I'll just throw this clip into update plus lost files. I got a whole bunch of like lost files that need to be uploaded because a lot of stuff that never made it into the vlog, unfortunately, because I'm really lazy. So there's a lot of stuff for the past couple months that have been not uploaded. But yeah. Anyway, I'm back now. Hopefully I'm going to start doing one video a week. That's pretty, maybe one video every 2 weeks. Once a month. I'm going to try to do once a month at least for you guys. Or for me in general, actually. Because I just picked up a hood for my car. A spare hood because I don't want to cut my own hood. And I'm going to do the generic hood cut with a skeleton in the S2000. So hopefully you guys like that. But like I said, man, I got this this GoPro. And maybe I'll just do some POV style videos. And hopefully that goes well. And then maybe I'll show you guys some of my friends' cars. They have some pretty cool cars up here, actually. The car scene up here is a lot better. Not a lot better, a lot more lenient than the car scene in California. especially where I was from, Sacramento. Seattle's a lot better. But yeah, and then I got invited to the S2000 group on Facebook and Instagram, so hopefully I'll be going to those cruises and I'll show you some of those cars and enjoy the Lost Files